What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up to yourself. You don't know the thing, you don't know, so the attacking boss is here, my people. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Always here to attack them, my people, speaking out. And you know what I mean, people? Attack. Some people, what really are going on now? What really are going with that dirty piece of thinking, sin thing they know over Clarendon? The attacking boss now left it, so. The attacking boss now finish it, some people. Everything just come on down the carpet. It come like dust. We know when you have the big old dirty thinking carpet on the floor and dust under it, my people, and some people, them know say dust under there, you know, but them don't want to clean it, them now lift it up, my people. Only wait once a year to lift it up. You understand? So what them a do? Keep it under there like dust under carpet and just keep it quiet. So we need to know what is going on. Dirty boy they in a lock up now, people. Get a ear do. Find L0VA in a lock up. In a year what go on. Boy find fish L0VA in a lock up, my people. Ear I get done. I'll make up a put pan face. You understand? That's the life for the sin thing one, my people. And them they sitting there the sin thing one. You get what me I say? And I go talk about nobody know beat me no look up. You understand? Because what? It find L0VA in them, my people. One fish sell them put in a Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Piece of sin thing. And everybody been keeping quiet about this thing, my people. Everybody keep it under the ground. You understand? No, it shouldn't be like this, my people. I have seen things that happen, my people. You know, I saw a video, my viewers and subscribers. And when somebody send the video to me, I say, yo, this is what Jamaica. Wow. Basically, in this video, my people, see, three same thing comes a boom. But in one store basically look like one little jewel store, my people. And the same thing, them manage to come a boom. One of them, the man like him talk to him and I look on the jewel people. And the man bend over, you know, so the same thing don't take one knife, my people. One in the man neck. Then he jump over the counter and start giving man be a knife. Over 100 tab, my people. The other two same thing, they manage to grip and take with them one, my people, and then they manage to fled the store. See? You see, shortly after that, my people, this is not them country when you're in Brazil. They don't play, my viewers and subscribers. But say, them no ramp. You know what them do, my people? Then get one crane. You get me, I say? One crane. And then tie three of them by the neck, panny. And then hang them right in the city. In front of everybody, the public can see one video, one take picture. Right now, the public. See? And when me see my people, I say, yes, this is the type of law my country want name Jamaica, my people. These are the things that should be happening in my country. Because that piece of sin thing who managed to do something so cruel, so wicked and so vicious don't deserve, my people, no leniency, no niceness to people, no farmer, no pretty with what him do to them people over in a Clarendon. But what? In a lockup, man I do here, man I put makeup on face, you understand, man I rub it on at night time, man I make it feel, you see them same thing, that's the life of the same thing, one dirty queer, dirty swim around them, or nastiness them, or crosses them, you understand, that's how the sin thing them turn my viewers and subscribers. So when the attacking boss are telling about them piece of sin thing, when they may think that joke, when they may think not easy, and not straight my people, these are the sin thing them what them are do, see, managing now, to take people 3 points, and yes, I mean 3 meals a day, you know what I mean, big old fried dumpling in the morning, then big old bammy dumpling them people, one big jug of fever grass tea, so look a peppermint bush tea, you get what me I say, then turn cornmeal and mackerel, and then one give them look a curry chicken and sitting in the day for lunch, and then up the noodle all sitting for dinner. 3 meals a day to taxpayer money, what? Family over there now crying out, family over Clarendon balling out, them loser. 5 loved ones of people, 4 local one big woman. They are them for go bury now, you know. But still the same thing they there. With man up there, lock up, living it free, living it nice. It feed family they out there now, my people, them still a cry for justice, them a go sue this, them a go sue that. Oh my word, oh my Jesus, NEWLINK. Something like this should never have no chance to even talk in our country, and I cannot believe. You know, this is one of the letdown to our country called Jamaica, and I would never stop speak about or talk about this thing with people. Really and truly, how is it possible for someone to take out somebody 3 parts of people like that in that manner, in that way, and can't give a full details or a full reason where makes sense? Because no farmer couldn't make sense in my people. But I'm saying a point, cause the point them way to come with, because the thinking, sin thing, want to do what you want feel like doing at the people in my yard. The people listen to do it in my yard, and the sin thing feel like he had this power to do what do my people. And the sin thing, this is what he managed to do. And I really love my viewers and subscribers. Attack. I will never stop attack my people. Oh, me for stop. Oh, me for stop talk about it. Me say the same thing need like that what them do over there in that country, my people. Me say them take them and then get a crane and then put the 3 of them on it, my viewers and subscribers. 3 of them. Hanging tree. You understand? Remember the 3 popcorn talk about? Yeah. You get what me I say? But what? The same thing over there as me telling the people. Bossy. Head tie up, here well do, make up our face, you know what I mean, man, I rub it up. I saw them I deal it over them people, them a sin thing what they sit now do long time. All fishy sin thing. Nah, since them. You get what I'm saying, my viewers and subscribers, but one thing I can't say now. The country of Jamaica, them law and them rules, me make you feel nice. You understand them, me put you where you want to be. You got me I say because you get where you want now, you get your rubber and your touchings them now. Yeah man, you get it. But when me tell you now before, my people, you can't hide from man, but you can't hide from the Almighty. Time is the master, my people. Time is the master. No matter how you cry, boy. You like what you call the boy for. No matter how you cry, Janko. You get what me I say? No matter how you cry, no matter how you ball, sin thing. Don't bother believe. It's gonna be easy on you. Don't bother believe. Remember me telling you a sin thing, Janko. Every time you shut your eye, look on the floor, look one mommy. Every time you close it, same thing. You understand? Me know you get a comfort, yes. Because we have over there. You queer over there with you. The shark, the dolphin. You understand dolphin too good for call it, because dolphin a lifesaver. You piece of sin thing over there. The barracuda. You understand the one I mean I hate. You get what me I say, my viewers and subscribers, but one thing me can say, my people, me want to speak out here. You know what I mean? Because they hide it now, people, and these things happening in my country over and over. We hear much things go on, and then what? It's quiet done. Blogger come forward, blogger speak. Then what? Two toes dead. Other story develop. Nobody no remember this. But me people, you see Tamara get this. Remember the story that me deal with it, my people? Right down till the end. Till everything go done. So, see, me know some people, me never fully commit to the one where me did for do with the local youth. We done some. Remember that one, the local boy, then a man to go be. You understand, rich people this, but you know them do already, my people. You understand, we never fully continue upon that. We leave it same way, and we can't manage to leave this one, my people. No, this same thing now go so. You understand, 4 local 1, 3 points gone, my people. Plus, mommy, and we now go stop. See, me say, hanging tree. Get a crane in the middle. When me tell them about steer them and put you out there now, in the middle halfway cheap on a crane. That's how we want it and that's how we country fit. And when we start dealing with people, so then we realize what time it is and how people life important. You understand? You can't blow it in the man. So why you want to take it? Eh? Why? Jaja sees, Jaja knows, oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. My people, big up on yourself. Enough love, enough respect, and enough blessings. One team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. Peace out, my people. Love you all. And thank you for all for the love and for the support, the like, the share, the comments, and for everything, my people. You don't know. Peace out and stay safe out there. You understand? Don't make them trick on my people. Don't let they all trick you. Peace out. Big up.